Hey everyone, welcome to Magnitude. This is Mainak Das Gupta and today we have came with a new video, and this video will be completely focused on a topic said as what is freelancing. Yes, freelancing is that topic where many people are confused that whether they should apply for as a freelancer. What is freelancing? Why should we do freelancing? Are they paid? Are we getting paid for this freelancing jobs? So today we will clear all these confusions among the students, and at the last we will also provide you three important tips that you should know before you start your first freelancing job. So if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates of our channel. And if this video is helpful for you, then please share this video with your all friends so that they can also be a part of this benefit. So before I start about what is freelancing, so let me first tell you why it is important to talk about freelancing now. Because if you search in Google that online source of income, then there will be multiple number of websites. If you search in YouTube, there will be multiple number of videos. Why this is? Because there are huge number of audience, they want to know that what is the online source of income. So there might be a huge number of solutions for the online source of income. But apart from all those things, I do think that freelancing might be a good solution for that, because in this case I came in touch with many students or many employees, or you can say many professionals, those who are doing freelancing, even they are working in some big companies or in big corporates, or even they are doing some other business. There are multiple number of students, they are studying in their colleges, they are taking their classes, but at the same time they are doing their freelancing jobs, because this is the only way when you can do a job by sitting at your home and just by staying online and doing all those things within a time and get those money back at your bank account. So this is the best way of the online source of income. So that is the main reason why we should talk about freelancing today. So what is freelancing? Freelancing means outsourcing a work from someone else. Okay. So let me tell you how you can understand this thing. First of all, to do freelancing, you need a skill. And if you have a skill, you can make a deal with your client. So you will be someone who will be working for your client. So let me give you an example. Suppose I am a freelancer. So what I know how to design book covers. Okay. So as I have made a profile in some freelancing websites that I am a book cover designer, and there are many person who are finding freelancers. Okay. So there might be someone who is staying in USA, a author who has written a book, and now he wants his book to be covered. So he wants to make a book cover. So instead of going to a production house, he has came to me by getting in touch with me through the website that you need to make a book cover for me. So I have make a deal with him that I will make the book cover within a perfect deadline that given by him, and he needs to pay me this amount of money. So if I can complete that thing within a given deadline, then definitely he will pay me that money. So this is the complete process how freelancing system works. Now comes the main question, how you can become a freelancer. So as I have already said that you need to have at least one skill. So the skills can be anything. It can be a data entry typist, it can be a translator, a video editor, a web developer, a web designer, or you can say Android developer, anything. Even you can teach students. So this all kind of things are available in the freelancing platforms, and you can apply to them. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go to a freelancing platform. So let me tell you the top 4 trusted and guaranteed freelancing platforms. They are freelancer.com, Upwork, AngelList, Fiverr. So these are the top 4 where you will have the some good clients, and even the clients are also finding the trusted freelancers. So these are the good websites, or you can say good platforms, where you can trust that they will definitely have a good payments also. So these are the platforms where you need to visit and make your complete profile. So this is a very important thing that you need to make, that a complete profile. It will maximum take 10 minutes to make a profile. Next thing is, see, most of the jobs you will get or most of the clients you will get, they are maximum on means international. So while you are taking international clients, then definitely they will pay you through online only, and most of the freelancing jobs are online. So definitely you need to have a e-payment option. So among all the e-payment options, I think PayPal can be a good option, because most of the freelancing sites offer PayPal, because that helps you to convert your currency from other countries. So you should have an account in that. That is also a very simple process, and connect your profile with your PayPal account so that your payments can be directly transferred to your savings bank account. So these are all those things that must be done before you will get your first job. So after you have done all these things, then you will come to the platform where you can browse all those jobs that are posted by those people, those who want to hire a freelancer. So there are two ways. One, you can directly go to those person by clicking those jobs, and you can tell them that you want to work as a freelancer for them. One more option can be, you can post that you can do this kind of jobs, so if anyone is finding a freelancer, then they can directly contact you. So these two ways are the best, and mostly these two ways are the only ways that are available in those platforms. So at last, as I've already said, that if you are working in somewhere else, then definitely you will be having some skills, so you can directly apply in these platforms. But if you are a student and you are a beginner, then I will prefer that you can learn few skills and at the same time you can work as a freelancer. So you will have both these things. You will be learning also and you will be practicing also, as well as you will be getting money out of that. Coming to the point of learning, I will like to prefer VIVEKA Learning Extra, a very good organization which provides private tutors and personal guidance to each and every subject, even from primary classes to higher classes, even in master degrees also. So apart from academics, they also provide non-academic subjects guidance also, such as yoga, chess, dancing, singing, anything. So you can get in touch with them by the links and all the handles given in the description box, and you can also use this coupon code, that is magnitude. By using this coupon code, you can get a favorable discounts at any course you choose. Now, at last, I will like to give you the top 3 pro tips that you should know before you start your first freelancing job. Number 1, always make your profile completely updated, because it is very important to attract your clients. And in the expertise section, always try to mention your skill level as intermediate or advanced. Try to avoid the beginner part, because it is very important to attract your clients. Number 2, always try to upload a sample work, because the clients want to see that when they want to hire a freelancer, is there any sample work present in the freelancer's profile? So that is very important, that you should have at least one sample work in your profile. So if you are a beginner, then take the help of Google, prepare a sample work and then upload it to your profile, because it is very much essential to get clients. Number 3, for payments, in first cases it may happen that you are getting a very low payment, but keep in mind, take those works, because firstly you might be having international clients, so you are getting payment in dollars, so you are getting hourly rates. So in 1 hour, if you are getting $5 also, then it is also very helpful if you are staying in India. Apart from this, if you are getting small payments also, then at first take it, because instead of asking huge payment, ask your client for giving you recommendations, because recommendations in your profile will upgrade your profile, and once your profile is upgraded, then definitely within few months you will be giving high rated clients with high payments. So best of luck for your first freelancing job, and I hope you will have a good career in freelancing as well as a part-time freelancing job also. So thank you everyone for watching this video. If you love this video and like this video, then please share this video with your friends and also comment that what kind of jobs you want to do. Thank you everyone for watching this video.